It's Pat from EAS Landscaping. So here we are in the Washington Square section of Philadelphia, pulling out some older plants for this couple's rock garden, and you see kind of a large rhododendron on the bottom left there. And we're putting in two junipers, two lavender, and rosemary. Interesting combination, but that's what they wanted. It's kind of windy. It was very chilly and breezy that day. Plus, they get a lot of wind, so we want something that's going to be kind of low. He requested the lavender and the rosemary. Um, Pushed the rocks aside, took them out, planted what we wanted to plant in place, and basically applied the weed guard on top. I've done it both ways, where I've applied it and then cut and put the plants in, but we're able to cut holes around it. You can't really see it right there. And put the rocks back in, original rocks, and we amended with some egg. They were egg rocks, so they're about almost like 2, 3 inches to an inch natural color. Made it look Disney sharp there. Um, did measurements for the plants and everything, so they're symmetrical. And that's it, real quick, and looks real nice. We're very happy with what we did. So